the idea, the activism stuff, I felt like spoke to me, especially, and it's almost like, I think when you hear the word activism, immediately you think about
banners and protests.
Right, exactly. And I thought, no, I feel like this form of activism is about preservation, right? Like preserving your well-being, preserving your psyche. It's preserving your heart almost, right? Because that, which is opposite of going out and trying to change something. This is kind of almost like keeping, creating this bubble, this culture of inquiry that is a form of activism, because we are preserving what is good and true and helpful to your own growth as a human being, right? Which is different than the banners and the signs.
But you carry that into your groups, your colleagues when they meet, you carry that into your classroom, you carry that into your family. Right. So that is, in a sense, change the world around you, what we call social formations. And I mean, it's about building a better world, isn't it? I mean, isn't that?
It is, but I don't think you can, I think that coming into the culture of inquiry is almost like, gaining your strength. You have to come into the culture of inquiry. You have to build up, know that you're loved, get the community, feel confident that you are not alone in this feeling. And only then can you go out. And then I imagine you have to come back to be rebooted. If you're out in the world for too long without the community, you have to come back to home base. It's like a video game and get rebooted and then go back out and try to save the world again. But I think this idea of a culture of inquiry that is without ego, that is about others, and that is about research in a way that is beneficial to the well-being and the heart of the researcher, so that they can go out and help save others. I feel like, I would love people to leave there with a different view of what that process can look like.
Perfect. I feel another paper coming on.
People are going to get tired of reading about us.
Well, if they do, they do.
Oh my God, it's another Michelle and Jackie article.
No, we haven't written one together. No.
I know, but it's a natural evolution.
It is.
Like reading both sides of the story, and then, oh, that's funny.
Well, writing is a different experience too. I've done a lot of